So this is a Swift Elegance 650. I'm just going to take you through the operation of the Caravan. Up above the door as you come in, you've got your main control panel. Bottom right hand side, you've got your main power switch. As you'll see when I hit this, the power goes out. The lights will dim as it's got a dimming motion on this Caravan. When I turn the power back on, all the lights that were turned on prior to turning off will be on as well. Just going to turn off the radio. So on the control panel, top left hand side, you've got your lights. Awning light, sorry, on the top side. Middle button is to set the dim level of the lights. Bottom one is to control the lights inside the Caravan. The tap symbol at the bottom is to run your water pump. At the moment it's saying it's got a low battery due to the battery not being fully powered. And then, as I said, you've got your power on off on the left hand side, or right hand side at the bottom, should I say. On the left hand side of the door, on the right hand side of the door as you come in, you've got your Aldi control panel for your heating and hot water. Hit the menu button. As you go in at the top, you've got your heat temperature. As you can see, set the temperature of the heating by going up or down, depending on where you want the temperature level. Next one down is your hot water, so you've got 30 or 60 degrees, depending on where you want the temperature to be. Next one down with the power symbol, you've got the amount of power coming to the Caravan. So you've got 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt or 3 kilowatts available on this Caravan. On site here we're going to use 1 kilowatt. Then at the bottom left hand side you've got your gas operation. So if you want to run on gas, you can hit the gas button and it will ignite on gas. Some more advanced settings in there that we go through during handover. All the information about the advanced settings are in the manuals that are supplied with the Caravan. Down below the front cabinet, you've actually got your hot water supply tank, and to the right hand side of it in the front, just around that corner there, you have your Aldi hot water tank as well. So the internal supply on this Caravan, if you want to use the internal supply of water, the valves need to be in the position as you can see here. So you'd fill it up on the outside as you normally would. It'll fill the internal tank and the hot water tank. You need to have the valve down, as you can see in this position, and when you fill the tanks you'll need to have both them switches down. To run on the external supply just from the aqua roll, you need to have the valve in that position with the taps both down again, just so it fills up the system. Then when you want to drain the system completely, you actually have the valve in this position as you can see, and you open up these two valves just here. There is a diagram on the front of the, or inside the front locker door there, just so you can see how to operate it and some instructions with it. As we go around the Caravan, we're going to go to the fridge first. So to operate this fridge you need to open both doors on the freezer. Inside you have your main power button. As you can see, the fridge has now come on and we're running on mains power. If you want to run gas, you hit the gas button. In a moment it will trip out and start flashing at me to tell me it's failed. That's no problem because there's no gas bottle turned on at the moment. If you want to run a 12 volt supply from the vehicle you're towing with, you hit the battery symbol there and make sure you've got the power turned on the fridge. As you can see here, it's flashing at me to tell me there's no 12 volt supply coming to the Caravan from a vehicle. Set the temperature of the fridge, use the thermometer button, as you can see there, and if you want to set the freezer temperature, you press the freezer button and then set the temperature again from there. I'm not going to offend anyone by showing them how a cooker works. I'm sure we're all more than capable. Just inside though, you have got an electric ring on this cooker, on this hob. Be very careful if that's still warm when you finish using it, as that will shatter the glass top, as it's tempered glass on the top of the unit. Microwave again, very simple to use. The same as most household microwaves. In the toilet at the back, in the bathroom here, it's a mid washroom on this Caravan, so you've got the toilet in the centre of the van. Electric flush on top, you press the blue button and it will flush. You've got a full indicator light just to the left hand side of that. Then down below you have your waste trap that goes down into the tank underneath. You just open it up to the right hand side and it'll allow the waste to go down inside the tank underneath the van. With the Aldi heating system, you will have a radiator system inside the Caravan. So as you can see there, that's the towel radiator. Be very careful if you're putting your hands on that, that does get extremely hot during use. Taps, etc. inside the Caravan are normal taps, no different to what you have in your house. So again, I'm not going to offend anyone by explaining how a tap works. If you have any issues at all with the Caravan, please do give us a call. And if we can help over the phone, we will indeed. If not, our warranty service, our warranty scheme here is an in-house service, so you have to bring the Caravan back to us, but we can get most things sorted on site. Thank you very much. Have a good day.